Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. This year I want to practice doing a lot more things that I'm not really good at drawing or I'm not comfortable with drawing. So you'll probably see a lot more like studies and stuff like that. So like today I'm doing a landscape study. I am using a reference and I'll post the photo for it down below. I was going to do this in color and then I just ended up doing it I guess it's not black and white, but like I just did two colors, I guess. But yeah, one of the things that I want to try getting better at is doing backgrounds or landscapes and stuff. So that's what I decided to draw today. This is just kind of a quick study, quick being like an hour or so, I think. I feel like it's a pretty standard forest scene, a little bit foggy with some rays of sun coming through. Initially, when I first started this piece, I guess as with any of my pieces, I really didn't like how it was turning out. I almost abandoned it a few times actually. And part of that is because it's not something I'm comfortable doing. So I get frustrated really easily. I guess that's a fault that I need to work on. If I'm not good at something like right off the bat, then I get really frustrated and I like want to quit. But thankfully I stuck with this one and ended up with a pretty decent sketch. But anyway, do you guys have any personal art goals for this year? Like I mentioned, I want to start doing more things I'm not exactly comfortable with. Basically, I want to step out of my comfort zone, do a lot more studies. I also want to do a lot more traditional work this year. I love digital, but I mean, I don't know. I love traditional as well. I just don't do it as much. So, my husband bought me this really great like watercolor set and I still haven't even touched it. I think he bought it for me like a few months ago and it's still in the box. So, I need to bust that out and start doing stuff. I guess that would be good for doing landscape studies as well. I guess that's another thing. I want to get better at doing watercolors. I feel like that's one of my worst mediums to work with. I love the look of watercolor, and people who work in watercolor, I love seeing their work and pretty much like how effortlessly they make everything look when they paint. So I want to practice that more. So I don't know, maybe next week I'll do a watercolor painting. Probably another study really. But yeah, I think I'm gonna let the music play for the rest of the video now. When all is over, when all is over, when all is over, all I can see from here is you. All I can see from here is you. When all is over, when all is over. And here's my study. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. You can follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Thanks again for coming by and watching this video, and I will see you later this week.